Introducing the first smokeless contact griddler from Cuisinart. This multifunctional grill maximizes flavor while minimizing smoke, so you can get all the great taste without the lingering odors. With 6 cooking functions, this smokeless grill takes you from breakfast to lunch and even dinner by making delicious meals in no time with less smoke. Clean up in minutes with the removable, reversible dishwasher-safe plates. And the specially designed plates reduce grease, while precision temperature controls maintains the exact amount of heat for grilling beef, poultry, fish, and pork to perfection, all while maintaining maximum flavor with minimal smoke. Use the fold-out front foot extension and additional top plate position for grease drainage. Adjustable temperatures range from 175 to 425, plus a Sear blast function dials up the temperature to 450 degrees, ensuring precision cooking with great grilled flavor while minimizing smoke. The dual control heating advantage provides independent temperature control for the upper and lower plate, so you can cook different foods simultaneously. The 6 cooking functions allow you to use the smokeless contact griddler as a smokeless grill, contact grill, panini press, full grill, full griddle, and half grill, half griddle. Get grilling indoors year-round with the Cuisinart Griddler with smokeless mode.
Meet the GreenPan Elite Multi-Grill Griddle and Waffle Maker, a new way to maximize your countertop cooking. The reversible grill and griddle plates deliver plenty of options to customize your meal. Folded in half to get classic melts, paninis, burgers, and more. The plates adjust for maximum contact and perfect results. It even lays flat for extra room and multi-surface cooking. Switch to the waffle plates for perfect waffles every time, thanks to the adjustable shake control that lets you dial in the perfect setting. GreenPan's PFAS-free notstick makes cleanup worry-free. And the removable plates wipe clean and are dishwasher safe. It's a contact grill, a panini press, a grill, griddle, and waffle maker all in one. Discover a world of possibilities with GreenPan.
Introducing the Yedi Total Package 6-in-1 Digital Deluxe Grill. The sleek, modern, and easy-to-use small kitchen appliance you need to grill up breakfast, lunch, and dinner like a pro. Yedi's versatile design and interchangeable plates let you press the perfect panini or whip up piping hot waffles, hear the yummy sizzle of sausage and eggs, or grill up a delicious home-cooked dinner. The Yedi Deluxe Grill is a perfect addition to any diet or lifestyle, giving you endless options for those keto, vegan, or high-protein meals, and is a great solution for meal prepping for yourself or for the family. And when you're done, the interchangeable plates are easy to pop out and throw straight into the dishwasher. The Yedi Deluxe Grill features a sleek, modern design, digital LCD screen, an intuitive control panel, and a portable, space-saving design. Yedi's powerful grill preheats quickly to ensure evenly cooked food and reaches up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 230 degrees Celsius. Replace the need for multiple, large, and difficult-to-store appliances with this 6-in-1 solution. Included are the digital grill, reversible grill and griddle plates, waffle plates, spatula-style tongs, and 2 egg rings. So, what are you waiting for? The Yedi Total Package 6-in-1 Digital Deluxe Grill. Order yours today.